to Family Fun Friday. Today we're making this cool chocolate bar maker. It's so cool. It has so many little molds you can put your chocolate in. You can mix them with any kind of candy you want. So let's get started.
Let's go ahead and open this up.
I got this side. Ooh, ooh. So here are some wrappers. You can put your chocolate bar in them after, so they're really cool. They're like little sacks that you can store candies in. So here are the molds. They have like these little screw-on things that you can squirt the chocolate out. This one's really cool. It's a star, and you can put it on top of your candy, so it's like a little design. Then there's hearts, and it says love. Here's the chocolate squirter. So you melt some chocolate, you put it in, and you can squirt out the chocolate. Squeeze! I'm making my candy bar. These are the things I'm going to put in my candy bar. Reese's Pieces. These are the best. I love them. And peanut butter fingers. Yay!
And I'm going to put some gummy worms and candy corn in mine.
Alright everybody, we're done making our candy bars. They are really fun. So mine's called the Butter Reese.
And mine's called the Ala Chocolate, so let's see how they are.
Okay.
See, pull this out? Okay. And mine's the red.
Mine's blue because my favorite color is blue. Okay, get this out. Get this out. Okay.
It's melted.
Just pull the top off. Let's see how this is.
Alright, here we go. Oh! Look, look, look! Look at the checker pattern. That's so cool. Alrighty.
This is the best.
Alrighty, got this.
This is the
Oh my gosh. And should we try biting each? This is so good. Pull out yours. Oh my gosh. Alright, here's mine. How is it?
wait, hold on.
Hey, here.
Wait. That is the best. I love Reese's. I love peanut butter fingers.
Here, take it.
Ew. Melting.
Let's see how Lakris is.
That's actually pretty good. It's better than I thought. Like, it's not the best. I would say mine's better,
Wow.
but it's still really good.
Both the wives were amazing. And thanks for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you like candy bars. So, bye.
Excuse me.